Welcome to Pakistan.
This YouTuber from Haryana's Hisar was arrested on charges of espionage and unlawful contact with Pakistani intelligence operatives. The arrest came amid rising tensions between India and Pakistan after the Pahalgam attack, which claimed the lives of 26 people. Jyoti Malhotra is the creator of the YouTube channel Travel with Jo, which has 3.86 lakh subscribers. She also has 3.25 lakh followers on Facebook.
दोबारा से आपका जो के व्लॉग्स में ट्रैवल विद जो की दुनिया में स्वागत है. Hello Jo family.
The 33-year-old vlogger's content showcases her travels across countries like Indonesia, Thailand, the UAE and Nepal. Recently, she visited Pakistan and shared multiple videos from her trip.
Force. जी सर लीजिए. सलाम. आगे भाई हम तो पाकिस्तान में.
Authorities told India today that she visited Pakistan in 2023 after obtaining a visa through commission agents. During her trip, she came in contact with Danish, also known as Ehsan ur Rahim, who worked at the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi. He is said to have introduced Jyoti Malhotra to Pakistani intelligence operatives. Danish was later declared persona non grata by the Indian government and expelled from the country on 13th May 2025. Persona non grata refers to a foreign diplomat or official who is no longer allowed to stay in the host country. Following the Pahalgam attack, India sent back several Pakistani diplomats and citizens amid security concerns and strained diplomatic ties.
जो मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर है, it is not fought only on the border. तो एक नया जो modus operandi जो एमओ हमें पता चला है कि जो PIOs हैं वो कुछ सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को रिक्रूट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये हमें सेंट्रल एजेंसी से इनपुट मिला था, उस पर हमने काम किया. तो ज्योति मल्होत्रा जो कि रेजिडेंट है हिसार की, उसको हमने अरेस्ट किया. तो शी वॉज इन टच विथ PIOs and she had also visited Pakistan multiple times. During the conflict, she was in touch with the PIOs. ठीक है, तो जो persona non grata जिसको डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया, तो during the conflict over, she was in touch. But she did not have any direct access as such with any very important direct access नहीं था उसके पास किसी मिलिट्री या डिफेंस के इंफॉर्मेशन को लेके जो हम इस स्टेज पे कहें कि उसने उसको दिया है.
Investigators allege that she shared sensitive details about Indian locations and pushed pro-Pakistan narratives on social media. She is also accused of being in an intimate relationship with one of the operatives and traveling to Bali with him. She has confessed to her role. Her travel history includes 4 visits to Pakistan, and she maintained encrypted communication with handlers on WhatsApp, Telegram and Snapchat. DSP Kamaljeet Singh was quoted as saying by the Economic Times. Malhotra was booked under Section 152 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Sections 3, 4 and 5 of the Official Secrets Act of 1923. The investigation is now being handled by the Economic Offences Wing in Hisar. Her father, Harish Malhotra, denied the allegations leveled against her.
वो तो कहती है मैं तो गई तो थी, इनकी परमिशन से गई थी, बिना परमिशन के मैं नहीं गई. अब तो ये ऐसे झूठ ही बोल रहे हैं. अब बात से जावा तो कोई यार दोस्त बन जाए तो उससे आप फोन नहीं कर सकते. यार दोस्त से तो बात कर सकते हैं. भारत की बात बता रही है, भारत की क्यों बात बता रही है, वो आपस में बात कर रही है.
At least 7 others were arrested for their alleged involvement in espionage. These included political science student Davinder Singh, security guard Nauman Elahi and businessman Shehzad.